Hello again. Here we have a little one. This is a lamp from a garden solar lamp. Not working at all. And I'm guessing this should be an easy one. Seen these before, and small thin wires inside, corroding due to being outside. So this will either be an easy fix or non-fixable. Maybe even just a broken battery. Battery's out. Okay, let's just try to put the battery back in again. Was it loose? Now it's working. Just a loose battery. Only one LED is lighting though. Why is that? Strange. Here's the reason why only one LED is lighting. Because you can change it to a red color. So, only problem with this one, the battery was loose. So, before we destroy it more, let's get it back together again. Battery in, is it still working? Yes. Top back on. Screws in. So this one was a little too easy, but yeah, the alternative was that this one had ended up in the trash. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope the next video will be a little more interesting than just connecting a battery, but you never know what you get into. Good, thanks for now, see you next time, bye bye.